It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Today we're going to be taking a look at some Blue Dragon Thai red curry. Now this is a 3-step process. I did the Hungry Elephant recently, the crazy hot kind of curry, and people were saying, oh, you've got to get the Blue Dragon, it's really nice. So we've got this. It comes in a 3-pack, so we'll open, well, there's 3 things that come in the pack, should I say. So we'll open it up nice and carefully. So what you do, you fry your lovely bits of chicken up, or they say seal it, seal the chicken. Then you add your coconut oil. Once you've added your coconut oil, you add this, it looks quite menacing, doesn't it? This red curry. It's a 2 chili rating on this, so it says medium. And then look at that. Look at the little, you add this 10 minutes at the end. These dried bits of vegetable. So that looks like lovely little kind of chilies in there, and that's going to be great. So without further ado, let's grab the camera, let's start frying the chicken, and let's get on with it. Okay, so let's fire this up. We're going to lightly sear it. Okay, so the next stage is actually not to put the coconut milk in, but to put the paste in. So we're going to do that. Grab a pair of scissors here. Right, and here we go. There we go. Right, that's in. So that's got to be mixed around now for... Oh, that'll do. This has got to be mixed around now for 1 minute. Maybe turn it up a little bit. Melt it into the chicken. Oh, this looks rather lovely. It smells rather lovely as well. So then the next stage, we have it here, is to pour in the coconut milk, bring to the boil, stirring until the paste dissolves. It's been about a minute, hasn't it? Yeah, it's been about a minute with the paste in. Right, let's get this coconut milk in then. Quite an easy thing to do for somebody who's, you know, a bit of a novice when it comes to cooking. I've never really shown that much of an interest in cooking, I've got to be honest, but I like to eat food. So I thought it was about time we take these tentative steps into doing a bit of cooking. I'm just going to flick the kettle on because I've got some I've got some of these egg noodles that I want to add to these. Right, so what do they say now to do? Right, add the dry ingredients and vegetables, then simmer for 10 minutes. Serve with steamed rice and enjoy. Right, that's all melted in now. So I think we're gonna add the veg now. All these bits and pieces. Look, we've got kind of leaves and stuff. And look at this. Look at that for a pepper. Chuck it all in. Oh, I love it all. Oh, look at that. Looks like I've actually done something decent for once. Right, I'm just going to turn this down a little bit now. Let that boil away. Well, not boil away, but simmer away for 10 minutes now. So we got 10 minutes of this simmering. So I think you don't want to watch me boiling egg noodles, do you? That's the general process. Come back to me once the 10 minutes is up and I'll give it a try. Okay, we are ready. So, got our plate, egg noodles, get them on, open them. I like to open them up a bit like you do with bolognese, really, you know, get the pasta on the outside, same with the curry, get the noodles on the outside, get the curry in the middle. So there you're right. Yeah, egg noodles, not rice noodles. They're egg noodles from Tesco. Here's the curry, all finished off. Get the spoon out. There we go. And I'm just gonna whack it on. I'm just gonna get it on there now. And sorry that you're not in shot. Right, I'll be as quick as I can. Here we go. Ah, looks amazing. Where do I put the fork? There we go. Voila! A steaming hot plate of Blue Dragon Thai red curry. I used one of the egg noodle things, and there's quite a lot of it. I'm intrigued about this leaf. Really intrigued by it. I don't know what it is. It's all stalky. Maybe you're not supposed to eat that. Maybe that's just for flavour. Maybe we'll take that away. That was a bit stalky, that thing. I tell you what we'll do. Chili. Oh! God, they put that down as a medium curry. Oh, that's hot. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a nice warming sensation. It's not too crazy. But I have been eating lots of hot food recently. I'm gonna get, I reckon this, they couldn't possibly have given you this leaf. I'm going back for the leaf. Right, the stalk of the leaf is there. Nah. It's, I don't think that's meant to chuck down in the sink. I don't think that's meant to be eaten. That's like, it's like eating a tree. Creamy, coconutty curry. I'm a big fan. Massive fan of Thai curries, and this is a really good one. I don't know, there's quite a lot of it here. I don't know if it serves one, serves two. No, it's a two. It serves two people. But I'm going to eat it all. I'm going to eat all this. This is brilliant. A really, really nice, creamy, coconutty, spicy curry. I'm a big fan of these coconut spicy curries. I remember the first time I had a Thai curry. It was at my grandfather's house. We'd all had a bit to drink. We had a barbecue up there in the afternoon. We all had a bit to drink. And who was it? So my grandpa's brother, that would be my great uncle, would it? My grandpa's brother. I don't know what it would be to me. Distant relative. His wife said, I've had too much to drink. I'm going to knock up a Thai curry for everybody. And this Thai curry, never had one before. Oh, it blew my mind. It was about 10 years ago. Blew my mind. I thought she was like some kind of godly creature when she cooked this incredible food. It was just amazing, absolutely amazing. And I've eaten it ever since. There was 2 chilies, wasn't there, or was there 3? I can see another one. Chili and chicken. That's hot. Ho ho! You can give the chilies. You can give the chili a miss if you like. It's not necessary. It's not like 100% necessary to eat it. It's down to your own obligation. I think it just helps to spice the curry up a little bit. But I like eating them. We got one more. I can feel I like the fact that the chili, it clears all your nose and your throat, and I can feel it all warming up, and like, it must be really, really kind of healthy for you. I'm sure it is. Whoa. That's the 3 chilies eaten. Oh, I'm going to go away now and eat the rest. You kind of got the story. The chicken's brilliant. It's a coconutty, spicy curry. It's really easy to do. Even for somebody like myself, it's really easy to knock up. I'm going to rate it. Ooh, filling. Blue Dragon Thai Red Curry. It won a Great Taste Award in 2017. That is brilliant. It says you can add some baby corn and a red pepper if you like as well, but I didn't bother. I didn't have any baby corns or red peppers here. Rating, that is a fantastic curry. That is a really nice curry. It's a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a pardon me. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom! Cheers!